guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Love, and today I'm going to show you how to make another chicken dish. Let's jump straight into the video. Sigla. So the recipe for today is chicken scallopina with saffron cream sauce. Let's get cooking. So the ingredients are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of chicken cutlets, scallopina, 2 shallots sliced, 1 clove of garlic minced, half a cup of white wine, 1.5 cups of chicken broth, quarter teaspoon of saffron threads, half a cup of heavy cream, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh fat leaf parsley. Okay, so first of all we have some olive oil. I'm gonna nice skewer pan here. Turn this on to medium. And before we saute the chicken, season them. With salt and pepper. Both sides. Okay, this in. This in. While that's cooking, sauteing. Salt and pepper. So cook these 2 to 3 minutes, turn them over 2 to 3 minutes, and then into a plate. And cover them with some foil. So once you get to this sort of color, this is perfect, nice, still juicy. So what you're gonna do is put them onto a plate. And cover these with some aluminium foil to keep them nice and warm. Reduce the fire and throw in the shallots and the garlic. And saute. So saute these until they're nice, soft and cooked, and don't worry about like this glaze because we're gonna unglaze them with the wine afterwards. And another thing, when you're chopping the garlic, chop them nice and finely, so very small pieces as you can see. But the shallots, cut them into more of like a ring type, so they can cover the meat afterwards. You want to chop these two finely. White wine. And start deglazing this pan. Scrape off all of these bits. As you can see here, these are nicely glazed. And also, when you're putting the wine, be careful because I actually got kind of burnt doing this. So, yeah, be careful. Okay, so the wine has reduced, and as you can see, it's completely deglazed this pan and has given it a wonderful color. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the broth. I'm gonna increase this. simmer our wonderful saffron in. Now this is what it gives it the yellowness. Or if you were here right now, this smells fantastic, I have to say. So our final ingredient is the cream. Now here's the trick. If you want your sauce to be more creamier, you wait for this to reduce and then you add in the cream. If you want it to be more on the liquid side, you add the cream and let it boil for a couple of minutes. So I like it more creamier, so I'm gonna wait for this to reduce. Okay, so this has reduced. I'm gonna add in the cream. Salt. Pepper. And our fresh parsley. Give this a very good mix. And leave this for a minute, and then we are ready to serve. Let's plate. Rice. And this lovely sauce. Just a little bit more. I want everything to taste. And there you go. That is just a piece of art. Okay, let's taste. Yes. Okay. Scallops. Guys, wow. This is the perfect amount of saltiness from the sauce, and then the scallops and the garlic give that like a little bit of crunch to it. This is a 10 out of 10, obviously, in my books. Hopefully you guys try it and hopefully you guys love it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Also, while you're there, might as well smash that like button. Alla prossima!